perfect example of why these cars are kind of shit. I went to do a U-turn and my power steering failed. And here's how I came in. And then I ended up crashing into this fucking snowbank. And now the car is on ice, so I can't get out. I'm going to try scraping the ice away. This is a really stupid situation. Alright, so that took like 40 minutes. Definitely some snow wedged under that plate. But I can smell burnt coolant, which is obvious. A little less obvious, I am pretty sure it might have actually burned out my rear gears because they started sounding pretty fucking mechanical after about 15 minutes, and I can smell burning. Yeah, that was not a fun experience. This car is not very fun in the snow. Alright, so that was a shitty misadventure. Today's been a bad day, period. I went to try and do a budget radio install by using an AC converter, but the converter I bought, I don't know how I fucked up. I wired it in, and if I turn the key so that like the heater and the CB are running, the radio would play, but when I actually started the car, the radio wouldn't play. I don't know how I fucked that up, but I did. And then I decided to go for a bit of a drive, and I ended up going to do a U-turn in this little old lady's house, and I got, the power steering died, and I ended up crashing right into her snowbank, and it took me like 30-40 minutes to get out of her driveway. It was this nice fucking hill, completely covered in ice, and it took me fucking forever to get out of it. I apologized to the lady, and she was very understanding. Oh, I know how hard it is to get out of that driveway, don't worry. So I thanked her for not being too bothered. Like, I was making a shit ton of noise. And while I was getting myself out, I could very clearly hear the gears in the differential grinding against each other, which is not fun. It was already a very worn out posi, so if I went and blew it out completely, like, I don't know if I guess I wouldn't be able to drive it if it was completely fucked, but it definitely was not enjoying that at all. Yeah. Also, while I'm talking about the car, the brakes are definitely on their way. Actually, they're past on their way out. The brakes in this thing are fucked.